Mrs. Vidya Patil, working as assistant professor in the Department of English. For MA, fiction in English is a paper prescribed for MA Part First, and in that paper, Madame Bovary is a prescribed novel. Madame Bovary is a realistic novel. So before we start this novel, let us see what is realistic novel. So today we are going to see what is realism or what is a realistic novel. See, realism in literature is associated with realist art movement. This movement emerged in mid 19th century in countries like France as well as Russia. This movement emerged as a reaction against classical demands of creative writing. Now, in creative writing, what was done? They tried to depict idealistic society or society as it should be. Now, the reason was that they thought whatever they depict or whatever they write in their whatever they depict in their writing, people will try to imitate. What I feel is that there are films like Sant Jnaneshwar or Tukaram, but nobody ever has become Sant Tukaram or Jnaneshwar. People do the things which are easy for them, and that is why, though ideal life or idealistic life is shown in the films or is described in literature, very few people try to imitate that. Generally, it is observed that people do the things which are easy for them to do. Then, realistic art movement is also taken as a reaction against the writing of romantic literature. Now, in romantic writing or romantic writers, they try to represent idealism, or they created a sort of utopia or imaginary world. In a way, romantic writers took the readers away from the darker reality of life in a world that is perfectly ideal one. So, realistic art movement is a reaction against this idealism or idealistic writing. Now, the term realism was first used by Friedrich Schiller. He wrote a letter to Goethe, and in that letter he wrote, realism cannot make a poet. There is another saying which is exactly opposite to this one, and it is said by Hegel in his work called as Eden, that all philosophy is idealism and there is no true realism except that of poetry. Since then, the term is applied to the works of art which have quite a different approach to life. That is, these writers deal with different subject matters, and another thing is that their approach to subplot, approach to subject is quite different one. In a realistic literature or realistic works, there is no fantasy. Actually, fantasy is nothing but that is imagination which has no link or connection with reality. Another thing about realistic novel is there are no supernatural elements. Supernatural elements means the elements which cannot be explained by the known rules of science. Say, realistic novel or realistic literature is that type of literature which represents everyday reality. That is the joys of common people, sorrow of common people, problems of common people, success of common people, as well as failure of common people is also represented in realistic novel. Generally, Honore de Balzac considered to be the precursor of literary realism. His novels are entitled Law Human Comedy, that is the human comedy. Now, in this work, he has made true depiction of life of France. That is, we in this work we find the characters from topmost strata of society. That is, aristocrats, ministers, dignitaries. In that work, we also find characters from lowest strata of life, that is, beggars, prostitutes. Honore de Balzac was the writer was obsessed with details, and he tried his level best to give most authentic, most realistic representation of reality. And he focused on the details also. Now, however, it is said that the truly realistic writers are, or it can more authentically, it can be said that certain writers like Anton Chekhov in Russia, George Eliot in England, then Mark Twain and William Dean Howells in USA, as well as Gustave Flaubert in France. These writers are taken as truly realistic writers. They most authentically gave true picture of their countries in their works. See, what happens in realistic novel? In realistic novels, whatever are the happenings in a day-to-day life, these happenings are shown. Characters in a realistic novel represent, or they are just like real human beings. While reading realistic novels, we find as if these characters are living human beings. They behave as if they are the characters of flesh and blood. What we find is that they undergo the experiences which are real experiences, which are everyday experiences, which are plausible or feasible experiences. Another thing is that realistic writers believe that it is their duty to report whatever happens without coloring the reality. They reproduce the reality. They don't make judgment on the reality. What they feel is that authentical portrayal of reality, that is the chief, we can say, objective in writing literature. See, realistic novel is that type of novel which gives strong emphasis on the truthful presentation of reality. Let us see the features of realistic novel. First feature of realistic novel is objectivity and fidelity. See, what we find in realistic novel is that realistic novelists focus on objectivity. They represent what they actually find. And another thing is that they always remain fidel or loyal to the truth. Now, one reason behind this is that many writers of realistic novel had concurrent occupations with the journalism. That is, being a writer, they also worked on different posts in journalism. As we all know, in journalism, certain W's are focused. That is, in journalistic writing, exactly what happened, where did it happen, how did it happen, and why did it happen. These things are focused. So as they were already involved in journalism, they in this just like journalists, they also try to represent what happened in the society, what is the reason, how it happened. Another thing is that they used journalistic techniques, just the techniques which a journalist uses, the same technique is used by the realistic writers. Second feature of realistic novel is it is taken as early form of docudrama. Now, docudrama is nothing but that is a TV version of a true story, either that is a dramatic version or TV version. Now, what we find is in a realistic novel, whatever was happening in the society that was shown in realistic novels, or that was caught by realistic novelists and presented in their works. Now there is one thing which is similar in realistic novels as well as Victorian novelists. Victorian novelists were very much concerned about the poor people or less privileged people of society. Similarly, realistic writers started to depict the things which were not before depicted by other writers. That is, whatever was not noticed, whatever was not focused by previous writers, that was focused by realistic novelists. Another thing is that the subjects or the people which had remained obscure up to this time, such people, such happenings were focused in realistic novel. Afterwards, a subgenre of realism arose. It is called as social realism. Afterwards, it is also interpreted as Marxist or socialist ideas. Then, third feature of realistic novel is see, this was a time when lot of research was done on human psychology, and advances which took place in the field of human psychology made realistic novelists focus on human psyche or human mind. And that is why it is observed that much of the action in realistic novel is internalized. Now, lots of things are said about human consciousness. Human mind works at three levels: conscious level, unconscious level, subconscious level. Whatever happens in unconscious as well as subconscious level, though the man is not aware of that, all his acts are influenced by whatever happens in its unconscious or subconscious mind. Now, the writer like Henry James believed that human mind is so complicated affair that what happens in human mind nobody would ever imagine or nobody would ever think. Another thing which can be said is that half of a man is composed of the things which he never reveals to others or which he tries to hide. So these inner workings are reflected in realistic novel. And another thing is that in realistic novels, we find that human beings are not too good or too bad, but somewhere in the middle of the spectrum. Another feature of realistic novel is complex characters. Realistic novelists give too much concern or give too much focus on characterization. we find multi-layered characters as well as complex characters in realistic novels. Another thing is such complex characters are portrayed in realistic novel by internal monologues as well as we find while depicting any character, realistic novelist shows a keen understanding of human psychology. Another thing which we observe while reading realistic novels is that characterization is much complicated affair in realistic novels. We find a network of different desires, then aspirations, fears, different sorts of interest, and we find interplay of these fears, interests. These all these forces, that is different desires, different fears, different interests, interact with each other, and they battle with each other, and in this way a character's personality is developed. Now, as a novel is a form of literature or is a type of literature which has a very broad canvas, and naturally we can see or we can find a detailed character study in a novel only. Then we find changes in mood, perceptions, and these changes in mood as well as perceptions, opinions, they form sort of climax in a realistic novel. Another feature of realistic novel is in realistic novel there is a completely different plot structure. Now, realistic novel is not only turned away from the established plot. In a way, whatever was the established custom of writing novel, realistic novel is turned completely away from that established plot structure. Now, in a traditional plot structure, there is a specific system. That is, in the beginning, there is exposition, then there is complication, then climax and denouement. In realistic novel, there is no such fixed plot structure. Now, the reason for this changed structure is that what realistic novelists observe in a human life, there is no such a sequence. It is not that all is well in the beginning, then complication takes place, and then there is a climax, and then there is denouement. So, as in our life such type of things don't happen, why should such type of things be shown in literature? This is the ideology or point of view of realistic novel. Another thing is that realistic novelists that way try to depict no only authentically reality is shown or reality is depicted. There are no set pattern, no set structure is there in a realistic novel. There are no grand happenings in realistic novel, or epic turns of events also are not at all there in realistic novel. Instead, we find realistic novelists trade slowly on the happenings which are quite common, which are everyday happenings. So, lot of excitement which was generally found in the traditional writings or traditional novels, such type of things are not at all found in realistic novels. Now, last feature of realistic novel is different narrative technique. Now, in traditional structure or traditional novels, there used to be a narrator who was omniscient. That is, he either was a character itself in that novel, or he knew all the happenings. Now, such type of reliable or all-knowing narrator is not at all there in realistic novel. In realistic novel, instead we find a narrator who is ignorant about so many things. That is, he himself does not know all the details in that story. Such type of narrator is there in realistic novel. Another thing is that there is a story within a story as well as frame narrative in realistic novel. Another thing is that he may have his own perceptions, he may have his own ideology. So, reliable narrator is not at all there in realistic novel. In a way, lot of innovations were made in realistic novel. Now, these are the features of realistic novel. See what happens. Every form of literature arises or emerges as a reaction against something. Just as realism emerged as a reaction against romantic writing as well as classical demands of traditional writing or idealistic writing, realism also came under attack due to certain things. Now, why people started to criticize realistic writing? There are so many reasons. First of all, in realistic writing, what these writers did is that they focused on the negative sides of life. Now, what was observed by readers thought that only negative sides you are focusing. Now, life is not completely dark. Now, as it is said that every cloud has a silver lining. So, however bad, however unpleasant things may be happening in the life, there are certain good things. So, these good things also should be depicted or reflected in literature, but this was not done by realistic writers. Another thing is that in realistic writing or realistic works, too much focus is on characterization. And due to this, critics feel that there is very less to show in realistic novel. Another thing which is said about realistic novel is that some readers or as well as some critics also feel actually much things, or some also say that nothing happens in realistic novel. They only want to show the characterization. Either they are unwilling to show or they don't want to tell anything, and that is why too much focus they are giving on characterization. Due to these things, realism or realistic novel came under severe attack, and afterwards another form of novel arose, and that is called as naturalism. But in naturalism, what happened? Whatever were the excesses in realistic novel, unfortunately the same excesses were focused or highlighted in naturalism as well as in naturalistic writing also. There are certain writers who are taken as exponents of realism. I just want to give you an example of one writer, that is Gustave Flaubert, who has written Madame Bovary as a realistic novel. Now see, it is observed that the story of Madame Bovary, in which one beautiful woman marries one unimaginative doctor, and such a married life leads to disaster. It is not at all imaginary. So this story is based on one real incident which took place in France sometime. Okay. So this is all about realistic novel. Thanks a lot for your patience listening. Thank you.